In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files between shared drives in Google Workspace. To get started, open Google Drive in your browser. Once you are in, look over to the left-hand navigation panel and click Shared Drives. This is where all of the shared drives you have access to are listed, and it's the starting point for moving content from one shared drive to another. Next, open the source shared drive, which is the drive that currently contains the files or folders you want to move. Take a moment to locate the exact items you need. If you are moving more than one file, you can select multiple items at once by holding Control on Windows or Command on Mac while clicking each one. This makes it much faster when you need to move several files together. After selecting your files or folders, right-click on the selection. In the menu that appears, hover over Organize, and then click Move. Depending on your screen layout, you may also see a Move to icon in the top toolbar, which does the same thing. Either option will open the Move window so you can choose a new location in the pop-up pane. Click All Locations, then double-click Shared Drives. This helps you browse beyond the current drive and access the full list of destinations available to you. From there, navigate to the target shared drive, meaning the shared drive where you want the files to end up. Once you've found the right location, click Move to complete the transfer. If you prefer a quicker method, you can also use drag and drop. Go back to Google Drive and expand the Shared Drive section in the left sidebar so you can clearly see your list of available drives. Then click into the source shared drive in the main center area and select the files you want to move. With your files selected, click and drag them directly onto the name of the target shared drive in the left sidebar. When you release them, Google Drive will move the items into that shared drive. This method can feel more intuitive, especially if you are already comfortable organizing files visually. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to double-check that you are moving files into the correct shared drive before confirming. Especially when working with important team documents, that helps keep everything organized and easy for others to find. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.